Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies.
Okay, the media is crazy. This is what happens everywhere in the world. But we have to get to you. How has this journey been, Priyanka? I've seen you in LA. I've even seen you in the studio. I've been lucky to see you all over the place. And you're doing wonders. And I've been telling them, and they already know it. But how is it feeling for you?
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. My family somewhere. Hi, family. Oh. So I'm very, very excited to be sharing this single with you. बहुत special गाना है मेरे लिए. I think ये एक ऐसा गाना है जिसको शायद सुनने की वजह से मैं musician बनना चाहती थी. It's the reason why I wanted to start singing. So it just seemed appropriate that my first solo single should be a song.
Does everybody want to see Priyanka perform? Wait. I'm sorry. We're either deaf or you guys are really lousy at cheering. It's probably both. But let's do that again. Do you want to see Priyanka perform? See, I'm not the only one.
See, I knew I was coming to Blue Frog. And I knew I'd be standing on this stage where the most mightiest of performers have come and performed. So I did prep. I did a little bit of preparation where I wanted to try my hand at this, and I wanted the first time to be here in Mumbai, in my city, you know.
Oh my God, so that means yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it up!
Done. Okay, well, was that okay? Sam?
Priyanka, now I've heard the song and I love it. You have to tell me, when you heard this song, did it make you feel something? Is it in particular that you wanted to sing this song? Because I read that you wanted to empower women by this song.
You know, this song, you know when you're young and you have heartbreaks and एक गाना होता ना वो breakup गाना या heartbreak वाला गाना तो ये वो था.
I have plenty of those.
Right? So this is one of those songs which take you through all those I'm in pain but I will survive it. This is that vibe. Acha, so all right. This is a video I worked really, really hard on. I wanted it to be like a mini movie. The story of a relationship which goes bad, it doesn't work out. It stars Milo Ventimiglia. What is his last name, yaar? It stars Milo in it, and I knew Milo through a friend of mine. We wanted to cast an actor, not a model, because you know, I wanted somebody who would be able to act out. When you see the video, you'll see it. I wanted somebody who would be able to act out the various situations that happen in these two people's lives. And zaruri nahi hai ki two people are bad. Sometimes relationships just don't work out, and that's what this story is about. I hope you like it. With lots of love to my city.
That was incredible. Do you want to say a few words about your video?
No, I'd like to hear a few words about my video. But no, it was, all of it was shot in one day. I had to teach Milo what the importance of Holi was. Because they were like, colored chalk, what are we going to do with this colored chalk? And I was like, you throw the colored chalk on each other. It's our favorite festival. So we had a really great time throwing colored chalk on everyone, and even the directors and all by the end of it. But the whole video was shot in one day. It was really, really hectic. but it's very special. You know, putting down that guy's picture at the end of it and saying "see ya" was my favorite part.
I think it was every girl's favorite part. That was amazing. I like that you used Mehendi in there also, writing on his back.
I was writing Priyanka on his back with mehendi. In fact, after I put the mehendi on his back, he kept it. I said, listen, if you keep it for a little longer, it's going to stay. So he was like, yeah, I'm going to show Priyanka on my back. I was like, yeah, what's wrong? Mehendi will stay for 1 week.
I'm sure there are many boys out here who would like to have Mehendi of Priyanka on their
Have
back.
me sitting on top of them and writing mehendi.
Yeah, that also.
Probably.
Bonus. Okay, photographers. It's all on you now.
Photo ho gaya, Dandekar.
Dandekar.
Now we are done.
It's your turn now. You can take as many pictures as you want, but we're also going to open the floor up for Q&A. So, if you have a question, raise your hand and I will point to you and you may speak. There's one over here.
Thank God, you're so nice. I really like you. I wanted somebody to say that to me. Thank you. The plan was, yes, I wanted to wait for 2 or 3 singles to come out before I start doing live shows. And now that I have 3 or 4 singles, yeah, the plan is to do a few live shows.
Woo, woo! Yes, I got to introduce the first one. I'm so happy.
You did introduce the first one.
And I'll introduce everyone after that. Okay. Hands up and please state where you're from and your name. So now we're packaged. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Priyanka just called us a pack. The Anusha and Priyanka show package deal. Awesome. Hands up. Don't feel shy. It's okay. She's not going to bite you. I'm not going to bite you. I think they're scared of me.
I just might. No. They don't have any questions. They're so nice to me today. Kya ho gaya, bhai?
Hi.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm Geet.
Hi, Geet. How are you?
And I want to know if you are collaborating with any leading EDM producers over the world.
Leading EDM producers over
Like
the world?
Armin, Tiesto.
Not on this album, not that we have done yet, but we have collaborated with the Chainsmokers, as you know.
Yes.
That's a song that I did on their album called Erase. And actually, we do have a few DJs on the album, but it's not something I can talk about right now. But it's not going to be Tiesto.
Cool.
Okay. Yes, over there.
Priyanka, hi.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, this is Dhairya from
Hi,
radiomusic.com. Actually, I wanted to know if you would sing for Bollywood also very soon.
The plan is to do that in my next few films. Maybe some special songs, or I think, you know, if you can sing, why not? And I want to be able to sing in Hindi as well. My album is in English, but yes, I do intend on singing in my film soon.
And she sings in Hindi very well. She's being very modest, let me tell you.
Slow and steady.
Yes, you had a question, sir, in the white. We'll just give you a mic.
So, Priyanka.
आप बड़े पॉपुलर हैं आपको तो ज्यादा cheer मिले मुझसे भी ज्यादा
अरे नहीं आपसे कम So, quite an electrifying performance.
He's okay, he's okay.
sorry कोई बात नहीं होता है लोगों को usually मुझे देख के
This is what happens, yeah, when...
जी आपका सवाल था sorry
Yeah, so quite an electrifying performance.
Yes, thank
the
you.
whole of the club is just
Yay.
enthralled. The whole of the club is just enthralled to have your presence. So I think the Priyanka is the ultimate pop star and the princess of Indians.
If you want to
singing
call
face.
me
so whom
I
do
won't
think-
stop you
Yeah. So whom do you think is your contender worldwide? Like in India is nowhere.
who do I compete with I
Yeah.
compete with everyone I'm competing with you right now कि हम क्या
I
सवाल
think so.
पूछने वाले हैं आपके लिए इतने cheers क्यों आए who I think of competition I don't know but the way I look at my life is I've always tried to as a human being push myself कभी कभी गलतियां हो जाती हैं कभी गलत फिल्में हो जाएंगी शायद मेरे गाने अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे हो सकता है लग भी जाएं so I like to take the chance of that maybe if I'm pushing the envelope and I'm trying to do something different I may be wrong at it but at least I tried so I don't know who I consider competition I don't even know what I'm going to be doing next मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था I was going to be a musician so that's why for me I think it's just as an individual and I think everybody should feel that way कि you know you just want to grow क्या होगा maximum you'll fail कुछ और कर लेंगे
Great answer. Come on, hands up. Yes? I can't see
Back
you.
table, I see 3 hands.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's just one question. But
Do you need a
it's-
mic?
Yes, they do.
Yeah, they do. Okay.
हाय प्रियंका, हियर सुप्रिया।
Hi, Supriya.
ब्रेकअप के ऊपर काफ़ी सॉन्ग्स है, लेकिन आपने ये पर्टिकुलर गाना ही क्यों सिलेक्ट किया है?
ये particular गाना as my 3rd single? Is that what you asked? Album मेरा पूरा ready है, तो हम लोग decide कर रहे थे कि which song should we go. I wanted the 3rd song to be a solo single. I didn't want it to be a collaboration क्योंकि पहले 2 हमने will.i.am और Pitbull के साथ already किए हैं. So I thought that when I heard all the songs in the album, there are some really wonderful songs. But this is a song that really started me off as a singer. I remember singing this song very much when I was a kid. I remember, relating with it. You know how for every girl in the world, I Will Survive is one of those songs that we all sing when we're in trouble. So Heartache, this song was the one that I used to listen to. So when we decided to make a dance version of it, I was very sure that I wanted to hear it first to see if it does justice to such a classic. According to me, this is a really great mix of the song. It's a really great version of the song, which is why I thought it was sensible to do as my first single. I mean, solo single.
Priyanka, Isha here.
Hi, Isha.
Yeah, hi. How do you react to the speculations that, your song doesn't sound like, what you had sung?
I just sang in front of you all for that reason.
Yeah.
Every song of yours is completely different from one another. Voice comes
We can't hear you. You need to use the mic if you're going to say something.
What? Sorry?
आपकी हर सिंगल में आपकी आवाज अलग-अलग नजर आती है। तो
मुझे
इसकी
नहीं
क्या
पता यार, मेरी हर फिल्म में भी लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि मेरे रोल में मैं अलग-अलग लगती हूँ. I don't know. I think it's my voice and it really depends on how people treat it. I think in once the song is mastered and rendered, these are all club songs. They're all dancing tracks. Maybe when I do a ballad, then you'll say कि अच्छा इसमें तो आपकी आवाज एकदम अलग लग रही है because I have a husky tone, but I just sang it in front of you. I don't know how much more to say.
Priyanka, can we have an encore of your performance without the music?
I can sing. Why, you want to test me again? Is that what you want to
it
do?
would also set the record straight if that's what you mean, but we would really like to hear that.
Okay, so I'll sing this one for her. Just a little bit is okay because I've sung it twice.
Yeah.
Even though she's testing me, I think I'll try and pass the test a little bit. Yeah, Camille, can you give me a little juice? All right. Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close, don't patronize. Don't patronize.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. It was an honor standing here with you.
No, I'm glad
and
you did.
you are beautiful. You've got a lovely voice and you've got a lovely heart.
Thank you, darling. Don't patronize again.
प्रियंका थोड़ा आगे आइए ना, फेस पे लाइट नहीं है. बस प्रियंका स्ट्रेट. प्रियंका स्ट्रेट. ज्यादातर आगे आ रहे थोड़ा. प्रियंका स्ट्रेट. प्रियंका एक अपने कॉर्नर. थैंक यू.